doubt a mere fleet of ships brought this many birds here.
Oh, filthy pests!
Maester, are you alright?
I'm fine. But nothing good would come from fraternizing with you royals.
I think it's the other way around. It's karma for you being such a sourpuss.
What was that?
You gross! Get away from me! What's up, Elena? Something wrong?
Ugh, the stench.
Midas, you're still complaining? Oh, the stench of the poop on yourself. Wait, where'd he go? I see. Where the hell is he? Hanging out back here somewhere? Anyway. Wait, I still don't see. Oh, that's right. I don't have him in my active party. So he's not out here.
Am I crazy? Has the number of people on the streets taken a huge dive? It certainly has. There seem to be even fewer people than when we were last here. Why?
Sorry to spring this on you all, but can we hit up Dr. Vanel's for a second? Got a really bad feeling about this.
Whoops. It's hard to play with my one hand while I'm holding this.